Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn about liquidity shift. And one thing I noticed is that the same way that you trade Euro USD is not the same way that you trade Shao USD. So today I'm going to show you the exact liquidity setup that I use on Shao USD, and notice that it is not the same as Euro USD. So if this is what you are looking for, make sure you subscribe, like, and I'm going to show you how I got this trade using liquidity. You see here is a liquidity. Then we have another liquidity which is waiting to be grabbed, and we have final liquidity around here. So I'm going to show you how I got this. Make sure you stick in. Let's go. Okay, a liquidity shift happens when price sweep a high or low. For example, the market is moving high, then maybe consolidation. So this is the last high. Then price comes and sweep the high, then comes moving down. This is called a liquidity sweep or liquidity shift, or you can call it stop hunt, or you can call it liquidity grab, or you can call it inducement move. Around here, they are buying orders. If price reach this level, some people place their buy orders here and stop loss around here. So does the price do? It comes, grab that high, then moves to opposite direction. Okay, and below here, there's a liquidity. So price might come around here, grab that liquidity, then continue moving up. Okay, that is a liquidity shift. On some commodity like gold, it moves a lot because gold is very volatile. We want to know where this liquidity sits. Number one, they sit on equal highs. Example, this is gold moving high, then it came here, then moved down. These are equal highs. 1, 2, they are equal. We call this a liquidity. Okay, if this is a liquidity, what will price do? Price will come, grab that, and continue moving downward. These are equal high. The second one is equal low, the opposite of equal high. Price was moving like this, then it created a 1 equal low, I mean 1 and 2. So price will come for the equal lows before continue moving, maybe up. Then the third one, we have previous day high and previous day low. If you look at my setups, I always mark the previous day high and previous day low. And I always tell so many people that liquidity highs there. So what I do, especially if it is a daily, let's say on a daily time frame, it is a bullish, I expect price to grab the previous day high. But if it was a bearish day, I expect price to grab the previous day low. Easy like that. Then you have sessions high and sessions low. I'm going to show you this on a chart, especially Asian high and London high and London low, Asian low. Then you have trendline liquidity, and then we have support and resistance liquidity. So now let's go on a chart and I show you some of this liquidity. Okay, so I want to use this example that I took yesterday. I got this liquidity. So I clear everything and we start. Let us now start on a daily time frame. We want to look at previous day high and previous day low when zooming around here. So this was the low and this is the high. I know this one is the previous, but on my previous setup, yesterday's setup, I'm talking about this high and this low. If you see this candle cross inside this one, it means that it is an inside bar candle. So let's focus on this one. Previous day high, previous day low. It has not yet been grabbed. But if price grab this high and this low, let's say prices grab this high, what we'll be expecting? We'll be expecting bullish continuation. Okay, but if price grabs this low, we're expecting bearish continuation to grab the same liquidity. Let's go to lower time frame, like 1 hour time frame. Around here, if you go to more lower time frame, you will find that these are equal high liquidity, and I've been expecting the price to come and grab this high, which has done around here. Then price reverses. Okay, those are equal highs. Even if you see this setup on a lower time frame like equal lows, you still find it equal highs around here, equal highs on gold. Price will come and grab it. Now I want to show you the sessions high and sessions low. Number one tool that I use, I always start with Asian session high, low, mid lines. You will find this indicator under indicators. Okay, let me show you how it works. This one is for today, and this one is for yesterday. Let us focus on yesterday. So I mark the Asian high, I call it, with the Asian high liquidity. Then I also mark the Asian low here. And I call it the Asian low liquidity. Then you see this session indicator. I put it on the chart and I look for London session. Let me go to the more water for like 15 minutes so that you can see well. This blue here is for Asian session, and this green is for London session, and this one is for New York session. So what I do here, I mark the London high here. I call it the London high liquidity. London high liquidity. And I make the low. I call it the London low liquidity. Those are the two sessions that I mark in a day. I don't mark the New York because I don't trade the Asian session. Okay, now I have the two liquidity. So this buy zone, I found it by using the double Fibonacci retracement strategy. I took this low to this high, one, that is one, and this low to this high, that is two. It is double. So I took my Fibonacci retracement from this low to this high, and I mark the. Don't worry of this because this is a liquidity grab. Okay, liquidity sweep or liquidity shift. Don't worry of this high. I mark this high because this is a liquidity. You can say I've called it a Asian high liquidity. So I don't mark it because this is a liquidity grab. Then we have a big sell. So I mark the 0.5% here. I take a colorful line there. Then I extend my Fibonacci retracement to this last high. And if you want to get a sniper, check my previous video. I told you I taught how to get sniper entries using this double Fibonacci retracement. You mark the 0.786, this one, this one. So I got this entry using sessions liquidity. Okay, I waited for the Asian high to be grabbed here. I patiently waited for the Asian high to be grabbed, and we got a good sell around here up to this buy zone. And after waiting for the Asian high to be grabbed, I also waited for the London low to be grabbed. You see here, after London low has been grabbed, then I took the buy after seeing the liquidity has been grabbed, liquidity sweep. Okay, and we got a good buy zone up to here. I'm still waiting on my take profit around Asian high liquidity here. So it is simple like that. It is that simple, but not always simple. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can now join my Telegram. I have a new Telegram channel called Zedar Trades. You can find the link here on YouTube, and let's trade together.